Singapore aims to exit the COVID-19 pandemic with as little death and damage as possible, even as normalcy resumes. Justifying Singapore's measured approach, Finance Minister Lawrence Wong said a rapid reopening like what parts of the US and Europe have done may cause more severe cases. Mr. Wong, who also co-chairs the multi-ministry task force handling COVID-19, was speaking at an NTU ministerial forum.
We do not want to run the risk of having huge outbreaks that will overwhelm our hospital system. And that's why we are taking a step-by-step approach in opening up and controlling the pace of opening. We are not like US, UK or Europe, neither are we like China and New Zealand. We have to find our own path forward based on our own circumstances.
Mr. Wong also urged Singapore to emerge from the crisis with a stronger sense of solidarity. This extends to the relationship between the government and people, which in many countries has become antagonistic and confrontational. He said that while both sides may not always see eye to eye, Singapore can achieve more by working together to shape the country's future.
The government has to deliberate carefully and make a decision one way or the other. So each time the government decides on a new policy, there are bound to be people who disagree or who may even be unhappy about it. We will not have an outcome that pleases everyone. But the point is, by getting more ideas and feedback, we are able to improve the decision-making process.
Lawrence Wong also touched on the pandemic when he addressed Singapore Management University's virtual commencement today. He said COVID-19 has made Singaporeans stronger, more resilient and more united as a people. Mr. Wong called on graduates to look beyond themselves, even as they chase their dreams, and to think about how they can make a lasting difference in the community. He also urged graduates to take the changes caused by the pandemic in their stride as they enter the workforce.
In many ways, COVID-19 has been a huge test of our resolve and solidarity. We've all experienced tremendous stresses and strains over the past 19 months, but we've continued to hold together as one people. We've looked out for one another and helped those who are in need.